Out with the old, in with the new. The Gavins Point Dam powerhouse, operated by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Omaha District, recently received 6 new bulkhead gates that will replace the original gates dating back to 1957.
So today they're replacing the old gates, they're pulling those out, putting in new gates. The old gates have reached the end of their life cycle, and so it was time to replace.
The gates, situated on the tail race or exit channels of the dam's hydropower generators, play an important role in maintaining the units.
When we go into annual maintenance, they drop these gates and men are behind these gates, so it keeps the water out so we can actually do the maintenance on the inside of the unit.
Each gate weighs 38,000 pounds and was carefully moved by crane operators. With the new gates in place, water can now be pumped out of the hydropower units for annual maintenance, ensuring the units continue to produce power as designed.
If the old gates had failed, we would not be able to do the maintenance, annual maintenance to perform on the units, and then we're looking at potential failure of a component that we needed to do repairs to.
The Gavins Point Dam was built as part of the Flood Control Act of 1944. It produces enough hydropower from the Missouri River to supply electricity for 68,000 homes annually.